New Beginnings Educational Center has been on this property since April of 1992. When we came down, we had a few challenges. One being intruders coming onto the property. Another challenge was not having enough space within our building to accommodate our students. We decided then that we would organize to get a 40-foot container. Before we even moved any of the things into the container, of course, intruders came again. They stole our AC unit, our electrical. We've had many challenges in terms of getting funding to do repairs. We have partnered with Digicel Foundation on many projects, and we are truly looking forward to this one. The funding we are going to put towards the refurbishing of the 40-foot container, more so as a result of the new protocols as a result of COVID-19. We do need to have more space. We would need to space out our students more. So we are looking forward to this new initiative and a continued partnership with Digicel Foundation.